Welcome to Decor Ideas, where creativity, craftsmanship, and inspiration come together. Here, wood transforms into timeless decor, and every idea sparks a new possibility for your home. Join us on this journey of design, artistry, and innovation, because your home deserves beauty built by imagination. Today, we will show you a collection of raw wood crafting ideas, beauty from logs for inspiring decor big selling ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. A wood log, in its raw and unrefined state, might seem like nothing more than a simple piece of nature, a quiet witness of time and growth, but in the hands of imagination and guided by craftsmanship, it becomes the foundation for something extraordinary. Something that not only decorates, but elevates a home into a living work of art, because wood has always carried within it a spirit that connects people to warmth, tradition, and authenticity, and when creativity touches its surface. When vision begins to see not just the bark or the grain, but the possibilities hidden inside, transformation takes place, and suddenly, what once lay forgotten in forests or storage yards becomes the centerpiece of a home filled with style, beauty, and personality. This journey from simplicity to sophistication is not only a story of material, but a story of inspiration, where the modern maker takes what nature has given and infuses it with artistry, where the maker's hands carve, polish, sand, and shape. But even more importantly, where the maker's mind dreams of how this piece can enhance the way people live, feel, and connect with their spaces. A log may become a handcrafted table that anchors a dining room, inviting family and friends to gather, share meals, and create memories. It may become a sculpted lamp base that fills a corner with golden warmth. It may evolve into a frame that holds photographs and stories across generations, but beyond its physical use, it becomes a vessel of creativity, of personality, and of love poured into its making. The extraordinary truth about crafting with wood logs is that they are never just objects. They are journeys of inspiration turned tangible. Proof that imagination and craftsmanship together can change not just the look of a room, but the way people feel inside it, because beauty crafted by hand always carries an emotional weight, a sense of intimacy that factory-made pieces cannot provide. And yet, this journey is not confined to the personal joy of making or decorating. It expands into opportunities larger than the living room, reaching into the marketplace where demand for authentic, handmade, wooden decor continues to grow as people search for items that speak to individuality, sustainability, and artistry. Every log that becomes a crafted piece opens doors, not only to a home, but to a customer's heart, to their desire for something unique, to their willingness to invest in pieces that make their spaces feel alive. And this is where inspiration transforms into entrepreneurship, where artistry turns into livelihood, and where big selling opportunities emerge as natural extensions of creativity. To create with wood is to create with story, because the rings etched within the log already tell tales of time, resilience, and growth. And when those rings are revealed, shaped, and polished by the maker's hands, they merge with human imagination to produce something that is both timeless and contemporary, a fusion of nature and design that fits effortlessly into modern dream homes. Style is no longer about trends alone. It is about authenticity, about finding beauty that resonates, about choosing pieces that reflect personality, and this is why crafted wooden decor stands out in today's world. Because each log-turned masterpiece carries with it an identity that mass production cannot duplicate, an individuality that buyers cherish, and a warmth that transforms a space into something deeply personal. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For the maker, the process becomes addictive, not because of profit alone, but because of the sheer joy of taking something raw and revealing its hidden brilliance, of watching an ordinary log evolve into something extraordinary that someone else might place in their home as a treasure, a symbol of taste, or a reminder of natural elegance. And as more people embrace the value of handmade over manufactured, the modern woodmaker finds themselves standing at the threshold of a golden era where creativity can flourish not only as self-expression, but also as sustainable business. Selling handcrafted wooden decor today is not about convincing customers of its worth. It is about reminding them of what they already crave: authenticity, connection, beauty, and durability. And when they see these qualities alive in a handmade piece, they see not just decor, but value worth investing in. The journey of inspiration, then, becomes circular. The maker is inspired by wood, the maker transforms the log, the piece inspires the homeowner, and the homeowner's appreciation inspires the maker to create even more. And in this cycle of creation and admiration lies the true magic of woodcraft. It is not simply a matter of carpentry or design. It is a matter of soul meeting material, of imagination shaping reality, and of craftsmanship bridging the gap between nature and human need. Each crafted log carries within it the essence of possibility. Possibility to beautify a room, to express personality, to add functionality wrapped in elegance, and to become a product that sells not because of aggressive marketing, but because it naturally attracts those who value quality and story over quantity and repetition. And as we walk deeper into this journey, we realize that crafting wooden decor is about far more than decoration. It is about living with intention, about surrounding ourselves with pieces that mean something, about choosing beauty that reflects our inner worlds, and about supporting creators whose artistry enriches our shared culture of design and living. For the maker, each log is an open book waiting to be written upon with chisels, saws, and brushes of imagination, and for the homeowner, each finished piece is a chapter added to the ongoing story of their home. This is how wood logs become extraordinary, not through machines or trends, but through the merging of nature's gift with human vision, through the patience of hands that honor every curve and grain, and through the boldness of imagination that refuses to see a log as just a log. And this is how creativity enhances living spaces, by ensuring that every crafted piece is not merely furniture or decoration, but a spark of soul that radiates personality, style, and meaning. And this is how doors to big selling opportunities open, by realizing that in a world overwhelmed by sameness, uniqueness is priceless, authenticity is irresistible, and handmade wooden decor is not only beautiful, but also deeply desired. The journey of inspiration is unending because as long as there are logs waiting to be transformed, as long as there are makers dreaming of what could be, and as long as there are homes yearning for beauty, there will always be stories to tell, pieces to craft, and opportunities to embrace, proving again and again that imagination and craftsmanship, when combined, can turn the simplest wood log into the most extraordinary treasure. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked raw wood crafting ideas, beauty from logs for inspiring decor big selling ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end.